In this video, I will show you how you can set any song as the ringtone of your iPad. Now to do that, first of all, just open the App Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now just install this app on your iPad. Once the app is fully downloaded, then just tap on Open and select Continue. Now just select Ask App Not to Track. Then just tap on the X icon over here. After you arrive on this page, then just tap on the search box and search the name of the music which you want to set as the ringtone. For example, I will select this music. Now after you do that, then just tap on the download icon over here. Now just select Watch Ad. Now after you watch the ad, then just tap on the download icon over here and select Save. Now just tap on Got It. And after you see this pop-up menu on the screen, just tap on View More, and from here just select Use as Ringtone. And as you can see, we have successfully set our preferred song as the ringtone of our iPad, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.